Palantir at $60. Can you imagine that? This seems insane to think about. But the demand for AI products is going crazy now. With earnings incoming next week, this price leak could change everything. And those who know first will be having a huge payday. But is this even real? How could they even achieve this? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Palantir is all the hype now, and it's all for the right reasons. They just keep on growing, and people are now speculating on a lot of things that could happen to Palantir's future. And recently, they just dropped a bombshell. From new partnerships down to potential price movements, everything is going well for the company. However, there's still some huge challenges along the way. We'll get into it in a bit, so stay tuned. Palantir has announced a new partnership with Flyby Robotics. This collaboration is set to revolutionize how drones operate in challenging environments. Palantir practically revolutionized drones made Flyby Robotics. The company developed the F-11, a drone platform designed for machine learning. It allows developers to build and run programs directly on the drone during flight. Palantir has been working on the system, and the results are impressive. In an interview, co-founder Orman shared how this partnership will shape the future of drones. One key feature is Palantir's visual navigation system. This is their secret sauce. It enables drones to navigate without relying on GPS, which is often unreliable in modern warfare. VNav uses onboard cameras and advanced computing to guide drones through missions, even when GPS signals are jammed or unavailable. Partnering with Flyby Robotics brings Palantir into the world of unmanned aerial systems. This alliance has the potential to change the way drones are used, especially in military and defense operations. With the ability to perform autonomous missions without needing GPS, drones become more effective and reliable in critical situations. This partnership could be a game-changer for both companies. Flyby provides cutting-edge drone technology, while Palantir brings its powerful data analysis and AI tools to the table. Together, they are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in drone technology. For Palantir, this opens up new business opportunities and further solidifies its position in the AI and defense sectors. The collaboration could drive the development of smarter, more capable drones that adapt to various environments, even under the most difficult conditions. Releasing this news is just right on time. As you already know, Palantir's Q3 earnings will be released on November 4th. What's interesting about this, though, is the date is just one day before the United States presidential election. This timing is important and could influence the company's stock price. On the positive side, if Palantir shows strong earnings and growth, it could boost investor confidence. This could push the stock price higher, especially if their earnings surprise analysts. Investors will look for signs that Palantir is continuing to grow its revenue and expand its influence in key areas, like AI and government contracts. A solid earnings report could attract more buyers and give the stock momentum, even during an uncertain political time. However, there's also a downside to all of this. The upcoming election could bring market volatility. Uncertainty about the election's outcome may cause nervousness in the market, which could affect Palantir's stock price. If the election results are close or contested, investors might pull back, fearing instability in the broader market. This could create downward pressure, even if Palantir's earnings are strong. As a matter of fact, this pressure and uncertainty has already affected Palantir's price, and they're starting to see the start of a crash. You're going to want to hear this. The momentum for Palantir seems to be slowing down. The trading volume has dropped, signaling that fewer people are interested in buying at these high price levels. It's a clear sign that some investors are losing enthusiasm for the stock, especially with its recent surge to higher valuations. For novice investors who bought at the peak, this is a tough moment, and this is just the beginning. Many are now possibly trapped, holding shares at prices that might be hard to recover from in the short term. It's a difficult situation, as the excitement around Palantir drove the stock higher. But now the reality of the market is setting in. Investors will need to watch closely to see if Palantir can regain its momentum, or if the wind is truly running out for now. But this isn't the end for Palantir's run. CEO Alex Karp had an interview where he assured people about the upcoming elections. He reminded investors, "We've been in business for 20 years. I have not seen an impact on our business depending on who is president." This is a key point for investors to remember during a time of political uncertainty. Palantir has built its business over 2 decades, working with governments and large organizations around the world. While elections can cause market volatility, Palantir's core business remains strong, regardless of political shifts. Dr. Karp's words suggest that the company's success is rooted in its technology and strategy, not in which party holds power. This may offer some reassurance to investors worried about the election's impact on Palantir's future performance. And what's more exciting is this. Since Palantir is one of the leaders in the AI sphere, they're at the forefront of all good things that happen to the industry. Because of this new update, we'll already have a peek at what the future holds for Palantir, especially after their earnings report. Their price could go insane because of this. So hear me out. TSMC, one of Nvidia's partners, is expected to report a strong third-quarter profit this Thursday. Analysts predict a 40% increase in profits, with estimates reaching over $9 billion. This impressive jump is due to the growing demand for advanced chips used in artificial intelligence applications. TSMC, as the main producer of these advanced chips, has seen its revenue rise significantly in the past quarter. The company's Q3 revenue beat market expectations, reflecting how much AI demand is boosting its business. These AI chips are critical for many technologies, including data centers, machine learning, and other AI-driven solutions. As a result, the company's stock price has risen sharply, driven by this increasing need for more powerful chips. And this could easily translate to the growth of the rest of the companies playing in the AI sphere. We could even be looking at a 40% growth for Palantir, since they're the leader of the AI revolution. This demand for AI chips has not only helped companies grow, but also highlighted its importance in the global tech industry. As more companies turn to AI to power their operations, the need for AI products, specifically that of Palantir's, will likely continue to rise. Investors are closely watching how the company will perform as AI applications become even more widespread. But there's more good news coming in for Palantir's future on top of this insane update from the AI sphere. As you can see in the charts, Palantir is currently testing $44 and could potentially climb to $50 or higher in the coming weeks. The stock has shown strong momentum, and as market conditions continue to favor tech stocks, Palantir might be on the verge of another surge. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. They have a window of opportunity that could push them even higher. Tesla has faced a rough period, dropping 14% in the past week. The market is hitting all-time highs, but investors are starting to rotate out of Tesla. This shift could open an opportunity for Palantir to attract new investors, especially those who have pulled out of Tesla. Since both companies operate in the tech sphere, Tesla's downturn might push some of its investors to look for new opportunities in other high-growth tech stocks, like Palantir. Tesla's recent struggles may lead to investors seeking alternatives that still promise strong growth and innovation. Palantir, with its focus on AI, data analytics, and government contracts, offers a solid story for long-term growth. Investors who believe in the future of technology and AI might find Palantir a more stable and promising investment at this point. This could bring more liquidity and buying pressure to Palantir, helping the stock climb further. Palantir stands to benefit from this shift in investor focus. As Tesla's shine fades for now, Palantir could step in as a tech stock with huge potential. If more investors from Tesla move their capital into Palantir, it could push the stock even higher, possibly helping it break through the $50 mark. With strong business fundamentals and exciting partnerships, Palantir is well-positioned to capture the interest of these investors, driving its growth even further. But what do you think about this? Let us hear your thoughts in the comments. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, please like this video. And don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.